The banana, a fruit enjoyed worldwide, has a rich history dating back thousands of years. This humble fruit, often taken for granted, has traveled a long journey from its ancient origins to become a global staple. Its story is not just about agriculture, but also about human ingenuity and adaptation. Its story begins in Southeast Asia, where it was first domesticated. The lush landscapes and diverse ecosystems of this region provided the perfect environment for the banana to flourish. Here, the banana was more than just a fruit. It was a vital part of the local culture and economy. Evidence suggests that banana cultivation began in the region now known as Papua New Guinea. This area, with its rich biodiversity, was a cradle for early agricultural practices. The people of Papua New Guinea were among the first to recognize the potential of the banana plant. Archaeological findings point to banana cultivation in this area as early as 8000 BC. These discoveries include ancient tools and remnants of banana plants, indicating that early humans were already cultivating and consuming bananas thousands of years ago. Early farmers in these tropical regions recognized the banana's value as a food source. They developed techniques to cultivate and harvest bananas efficiently, ensuring a steady supply of this nutritious fruit. The banana's ease of growth and high yield made it an essential crop. The warm climate and fertile soil of Southeast Asia provided ideal conditions for banana plants to thrive. The region's abundant rainfall and consistent temperatures created a perfect environment for banana cultivation. This natural advantage allowed the banana to become a dominant crop in the area. Over time, different varieties were developed through selective breeding. Farmers experimented with various strains, selecting those with the best traits. This process led to the creation of numerous banana varieties, each with unique characteristics suited to different tastes and uses. These early farmers favored bananas with desirable traits like larger size, sweeter taste, and fewer seeds. By carefully selecting and propagating these traits, they were able to produce bananas that were more palatable and easier to eat. This selective breeding was a testament to their agricultural knowledge and skill. The banana quickly became a staple food in the region, integrated into the local diet and culture. It was used in a variety of dishes, from savory meals to sweet desserts. The banana's versatility and nutritional value made it an indispensable part of daily life in Southeast Asia. Its influence can still be seen today in the region's cuisine and traditions. From its origins in Southeast Asia, the banana began a remarkable journey westward. This humble fruit, which thrived in the tropical climates of Southeast Asia, was destined to become a global staple. The journey of the banana is a testament to the interconnectedness of ancient civilizations and the spread of agricultural practices across continents. It is believed to have reached the Indian subcontinent around 327 BC. The Indian subcontinent, with its rich and diverse culture, was a melting pot of various influences, and the arrival of the banana added another layer to its agricultural tapestry. This introduction coincided with the campaigns of Alexander the Great. As his army marched through the vast and varied landscapes of India, they encountered new flora and fauna, including the banana. The soldiers, intrigued by this new fruit, decided to bring it back with them. Historians believe that soldiers returning from Alexander's campaigns brought bananas with them to India. These soldiers, having tasted the sweet and nutritious fruit, saw its potential and shared it with the local populations. Upon reaching India, the banana was quickly embraced and integrated into local agriculture. Indian farmers, always on the lookout for new crops to cultivate, found the banana to be a perfect addition to their fields. The warm, humid climate of India proved well suited for banana cultivation. The fertile soil and favorable weather conditions allowed the banana plants to thrive, leading to bountiful harvests. Its popularity grew, and it soon became a staple food for people from all walks of life. From bustling markets to quiet rural villages, the banana was enjoyed by everyone, becoming an integral part of the Indian diet. Religious texts and ancient Sanskrit writings mention the banana, demonstrating its significance in Indian culture. The banana was not just a food item, it held cultural and religious importance, being used in various ceremonies and rituals, symbolizing prosperity and fertility. The The banana's westward journey continued, reaching Africa and the Mediterranean region through trade routes. Arab traders played a crucial role in introducing the banana to these new lands. They carried banana plants and fruit along established trade routes connecting Asia, Africa, and Europe. By the 7th century, bananas were being cultivated in parts of Africa. The fruit quickly gained popularity, especially in the tropical regions. The banana's adaptability to various climates allowed it to flourish in new environments. From Africa, it spread further north, reaching the Mediterranean region. The banana's global journey reached new heights with the continued efforts of Arab traders. These traders were instrumental in spreading the banana far and wide, utilizing their extensive trade networks that spanned across vast regions. They transported bananas along ancient trade routes, ensuring the fruit reached new markets and cultures, and the arrival of Portuguese explorers. Arab traders continued to spread the banana throughout the Middle East and North Africa, where it became a staple in many local diets. The fruit's versatility and nutritional value made it a popular choice among various communities. They introduced the fruit to new cultures and cuisines, integrating it into traditional dishes and everyday meals. The banana's adaptability allowed it to thrive in different environments, further cementing its place in the region's culinary heritage. In the 15th century, Portuguese explorers encountered bananas during their voyages to West Africa. These explorers were on a quest to discover new lands and trade opportunities, and the banana quickly caught their attention. They saw the potential of this exotic fruit and decided to bring it back to Europe. They recognized the fruit's potential and brought it back to Europe. The introduction of bananas to Europe marked a significant milestone in the fruit's global journey. European markets were soon filled with this new and exciting fruit, which quickly gained popularity among the masses. From Europe, Spanish missionaries played a crucial role in introducing the banana to the Americas. These missionaries, driven by their desire to spread their faith and culture, took banana plants with them on their voyages across the Atlantic. They took banana plants with them to the Caribbean and other parts of the New World. The warm and humid climate of the Caribbean provided the perfect conditions for banana cultivation, leading to the establishment of large plantations. The banana's journey from Southeast Asia had now taken it across the globe. From the bustling markets of the Middle East to the plantations of the Caribbean, the banana had become a truly global fruit, enriching diets and cultures wherever it went. Section 5. Modern banana cultivation, India and China. Today, India and China stand as the world's largest producers of bananas. Both countries have ideal climates and vast areas suitable for banana cultivation. Modern agricultural practices have further increased yields, making bananas widely available. In India, bananas are cultivated throughout the country. Different regions specialize in specific varieties, each with its unique flavor and texture. In China, banana production is concentrated in the southern provinces. Banana cultivation is a significant source of income for farmers in both countries, contributing to their economies. Section 6. Nutritional powerhouse, vitamins and minerals. Beyond its delicious taste, the banana is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, an electrolyte crucial for maintaining fluid balance, regulating blood pressure, and supporting muscle function. In addition to potassium, bananas are a good source of vitamin B6, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. Vitamin B6 plays a vital role in brain development and function. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, protecting the body against damage from free radicals. Dietary fiber aids in digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Section 7. Health benefits, energy, digestion, and heart health. The nutrients found in bananas contribute to a wide range of health benefits. Bananas are known for their ability to provide a quick and sustained energy boost. The natural sugars in bananas, combined with their fiber content, provide a gradual release of energy, making them an ideal snack for athletes or anyone needing a pick-me-up. Bananas are also beneficial for digestive health. Their fiber content helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Additionally, bananas contain prebiotics, which promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. further supporting digestive health. Section 8. Versatile uses, from culinary delights to traditional medicine. The banana's versatility extends beyond its nutritional value. It is a key ingredient in countless culinary creations worldwide. From banana bread to smoothies, pancakes to ice cream, the banana's unique flavor and texture lend themselves to both sweet and savory dishes. In many cultures, bananas are also used in traditional medicine. Banana peels, for example, are believed to have soothing properties and are used to treat minor burns and skin irritations. In some cultures, banana leaves are used as natural food wrappers or plates, adding a unique aroma and flavor to the food. Section 9. Global importance and conclusion. The banana's journey from its ancient origins in Southeast Asia to its current status as a global food staple is a testament to its enduring appeal. Today, bananas are one of the most consumed fruits in the world, enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Its nutritional value, health benefits, and culinary versatility have secured its place as a valuable food source for millions. As we enjoy this delicious and nutritious fruit, let us remember the long and fascinating history of the banana, a fruit that has truly conquered the world.